Alpha.
I'm a destination wedding photographer because I was so lucky to be born in a place like this. People come from every side of the world to have a wedding in Italy. They want to see what we have around, the villa, the lake. This is my meaning, is to mix the two things, the people and landscape. This is the goal of my photography. I started using the Sony Alpha system 2 years ago, and this was a big revolution for me. It's so easy to work with the mirrorless and so beautiful. You can concentrate to your idea, to your creativity. Sony Alpha 1 is the perfect camera. You can have a lot of resolution, it's 50 megapixels. It's a very fast autofocus. You can have a wonderful viewfinder and 30 frames per second, everything in one. I think that Sony Alpha 1 is the future, it's something really amazing, and I want to use this camera forever.